Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss everything about the NEET exam. Well, NEET is the exam which every student in India will have to give if he or she wants to become doctor. Earlier there used to be different exams like AIMS, JIPMER, MGIMS, CET, NEET. But now the government has taken care that there will be only one exam through which you can get the admission in any college for MBBS. Then what is the exam pattern and what is the syllabus? Well, the syllabus for NEET is only NCERT books of physics, chemistry, biology. I'm repeating again, the NCERT books of physics, chemistry, biology. Why I have repeated and why I have given a stress on this point? Because your paper of NEET will not have any information beyond these NCERT books. So biology, it is a very vast subject, even chemistry, even physics. In physics, you can go up to any difficulty level. Then how one should prepare for this exam? We are going to discuss everything about it. But you have to keep one thing in mind, that for complete theory information, you have to rely thoroughly on NCERT chemistry, biology, physics books. Your paper will not be beyond that. Okay, what is the exam pattern? There will be 90 questions of biology, 45 questions of physics and 45 questions of chemistry. And all these 180 questions you should supposed to solve in 180 minutes, that is 3 hours. Means every question you are having 1 minute? No. You should supposed to finish your 90 questions of biology in 1 hour, or even try to finish it in less than 1 hour. Then 1 hour chemistry, 1 hour physics. This is how you have to give your time. Whether the exam is very difficult, answer is no. Otherwise the students wouldn't have scored 720 out of 720 in last 2-3 years. Otherwise the ranking wouldn't have gone beyond 600, that if you are scoring above 600, then only you are going to get a good score. So it clearly indicates that the exam is simple. You need to have more accuracy along with the complete solving of a paper. If you want to score above 600, you must get 37 questions of physics and chemistry and 82 questions correct of biology. In those cases, you will be able to go beyond 600. So, how one should prepare when you are going for this exam? Well, you should go through complete NCERT thoroughly. I am repeating again and again because it is very important. You should make a note and you should write all the small points, different information in your separate notebook. You should keep reading that. That will help you to memorize all the information which is needed to solve the paper. Then coming to physics, you have to solve many things. But if you go into market and bring any book, then you will see that the difficulty level of physics may vary. So there are some books which are having a quite good difficulty level for physics and chemistry. And the reason, these subjects are also common in engineering entrance exams. The JEE Main, JEE Advanced physics difficulty level will be at a quite good level compared to the difficulty level of NEET physics. Many a times what happens that when the student is preparing for NEET, he or she gets under the impression that physics is very difficult. And why it happens? Either he is having first he believes that the physics is very difficult in the beginning itself without studying. This is one reason. Second, he is unnecessarily solving the difficult questions. So if he or she is solving unnecessary difficult questions, he will be frustrated and start thinking that physics is difficult, I should focus more on biology and chemistry. But just doing biology and chemistry will never make your score to a quite good level that you will be in AIMS or wonderful GMC, best GMC. So you have to give the equal importance to the physics preparation. Then how one should prepare that physics? Biology, okay sir, that we will prepare, we will go through past year questions, we will go through the NCERT information and we will be in a position to score good marks. For chemistry, okay, inorganic, organic part where lots of information is there, we will only refer NCERT and score good marks. For physical chemistry and for physics, there will be numericals. Up to what difficulty levels the numericals will be, how we will come to know. And the best way of doing that is finish your NCERT, solve all solved examples, then exercise questions, then exemplar questions, and in the end, the past year questions of NEET. Why I'm saying? Because when you solve the past year questions of NEET, you will realize that at what level the physics and the chemistry, physical chemistry numericals or some numericals of organic chemistry are coming, at what level. Once you realize that, you will be having that exam cracking become very simple. You will be enough confident to crack that exam, because it is very important to distinguish between the difficulty level of physics paper of NEET and physics paper of engineering entrance exams. Sir, we are preparing for NEET. How we will come to know that difficulty level of engineering entrance exam? Remember, whenever you will see a physics question which is taking more than 2 minutes, or even for some questions 4-5 minutes, you may see some questions like this in your books from which you are preparing for. Leave those. Or I will say, when you are practicing, analyze them, but remember at the back of mind that there will not be any question in the NEET which will be taking 3 hours or 3 minutes or 4 minutes. So looking at this, looking at the time which you have, 45 questions, 60 minutes, so looking at that time, your question will not be very complicated. Since last 3-4 years, if you see 2018, 19, 20 paper, the questions are very simple. Most of the questions can be done within second, 10 second, 20 second, 30 second, you can solve that particular question. So you just keep these things in mind and then prepare. Again, I'll repeat that many a time the students who are preparing for medical have the physics difficult, and it is only because your wrong method of studying it. The best way to study is go through your teacher's notes, refer NCERTs, solved example, exemplar questions, past year question of NEET. Sir, completed past year question of NEET. Okay, go through past year question of AIMS, go through past year questions of JIPMER, and if you have done even these things, go through past year questions of JEE Main. This practice is going to be more than sufficient to score 180 out of 180 in physics. Believe on me, 180 out of 180 in physics you can definitely score. And in that case, the students are scoring 670, 680, 690, even some students are 700, 710, 705, 715, and many few students actually scoring 720 also. Why this is possible? Because again, keep in mind, the exam is not difficult. Your preparation should go in a right manner. So I hope this much information will help you and will be sufficient for preparing for NEET. Prepare through NCERT. Again and again I am repeating, prepare through NCERT. Thank you.